if you have really flat hair and it's very thin on the top, like mine is full, but it just lays flat all the time. I have no layers in my hair, and my hair is growing out from being on a choppy look, and I just have it really heavy right now. So my hair's always been full in the back, and it is even more full since I haven't been messing with my hair, such as bleaching it, hardly flat ironing it. And so this is something I just want to show you. Also, it's about day 6 that I haven't washed my hair, 5 or 6, and my hair does not really get greasy or oily, but it's starting to look a little oily on top. It's hard to see it in here. If you could tell right here, it looks nice and shiny, but that's actually just a tad oily, which I am so excited. I know that sounds weird, but my hair was so dry. But since I've been doing all this to my hair, and not doing to my hair, should I say, it is starting to get a lot of oils in my hair. So I have been mixing some cocoa powder as well as cornstarch. So these will last so long. And when you're using dry shampoo, they're so expensive and very small, and it doesn't last, and it's so expensive. So this is just a little brush that I got, and I mixed a little bit in here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put a little bit on the top, shake it a little, and just put a little bit on. Actually, that was kind of a lot, but it's okay. You could just kind of blend it in there. And if you want to do the cocoa powder a little bit more, it'll be darker, but once it's in your hair, it doesn't really even look like it's white. So it blends in. You just kind of do this a little bit through your hair. And you could just go through all the parts of it. And if you see, it's already starting to lift it a little bit because the powder in there gives it volume as well. So this is just something that I've been trying out, and I just really don't like that flat look on top. So this is definitely something that you can do, and just it's a cheaper way to go. Once I'm in my when I'm in my mirror, it doesn't come out this much just because I can't really see what I'm doing. And you could do it all through the back and lift it up. It gives it just a volume look. So if you want to do your hair on the side, you can see that it's already poofed it out some. So, and then you could also save it, put it away so you're not wasting it, put a little plastic around it. But if you see, then you can also get your brush. I have my detangler brush, and you could just start from here. You could give it a little bit of a back tease, just a little bit, so you're not putting too much friction on your hair. And I've been wearing my hair on the side lately. I know I went through a stage where I was wearing it in the middle because that was in, but I feel like my hair has more volume when I put it on the side, and I just like the way it looks more. So this is actually how I wear my hair. But and also another thing you can do to make it fuller is flip it over on the other side. If you're always used to wearing it on one side, you could flip it over and it'll just give you some volume in your hair. So if you see, and then it's already taken away all that shiny look. I do like my hair to have a little bit because I like it to look very vibrant and shiny. But so yes, this is something that I've been doing, and I thought I'd just share it, a cheaper way to do it. If you want to wear your hair in the middle, it's definitely something you could still do if you do like that middle look. My hair, like I said, it's poofy all over, so it's not really going to style very good. You could also make it straighter on the bottom with a blow dryer on cool after you wash it. But if it's something that you're not wanting to wash your hair and you don't wash it every day, which I don't, then you could just put a little poof. You could also use a tiny little bit of hairspray in your hair to make it, stay a little bit longer with the poofy. That's kind of a mess right now, but this just shows that, it does give you some volume on the top, and you're not, if you don't want to wash your hair every day. If you do, then that's, something that you like to do, then you do. But for me, I wash it anywhere between 3 to sometimes 6 days. About a month ago, I went 8 days. I didn't wash my hair, so my hair was super, super dry. It is getting better, like I said, because all the things I've been doing. but I am finally starting to see a little bit of my oils come out since I don't bleach my hair. And that is something I haven't seen in a very long time, other than if I put my hair oils in and it does show hair oils. But other than that, yes, I do um, have a little bit coming through. So yes, but there's different things you could do to make your hair look fuller. I do put some braids sometimes on the top, and then I braid it all the way down. So when you take it out, you do have some fullness here. You can also, while you're around the house and you wash your hair and you dry it almost all the way through on cool dryer, on cool heat, and then you put, I have these little clips that you can put in rollers, but I take my hair and I just roll it like this. You could just roll it in your fingers, and then you could just do these curlers like this, and you put them in there and clip them. I'm going to have to show you what I do and how it looks. So that is another way on the top you can make it look full. So when you do take it out, it's going to have some fullness on top. So that is something that I could show you later on. But you could use different things like that. Bobby pins you could probably use. I don't know. I know I've had issues with bobby pins pulling out my hair, so I don't really use those very much. I have some still, but I use it if I do wear my hair up. So yes, do the little back tease, and that is something that you can make your hair look poofy. And also, if you use your hairspray, you can, put it stays up longer. So yes, and I haven't really been doing a whole lot. I am working on my other things with online, so I just kind of, been doing a lot of that. So I just thought I would let you know, because my hair was getting to that point of like, wow, I have oil coming through. So yes, I shared my story about hair on this channel, and I do have a email subscription. If you join up for my email, then I will send you out weekly newsletters, ebooks, guides to help your hair to grow, to have that fullness, whether it's aging hair or bleached hair, how to heal your hair from the inside out, which my hair has not been this vibrant and strong since I've been pretty young, like a kid. And this is just something that I am finding my hair feels so nice and strong, and the strands are just rebuilding. So, if you want to go along with this journey and you're trying to grow your hair out, then follow along and get that subscription for my email list, and you will start getting all the information. So, I do appreciate you stopping by, and I hope everyone has a great night until next time.